Charlie with JK Mechanical. I'm a service tech here, and my question today is, how often should I change my filter? Several different answers to this question depending on different variables. One being, what are you doing in your home? Are you burning candles all the time? How many pets do you have? Are there several different people that are living in the home? These are all variables that you need to consider. If you have a 1-inch filter, wide, width-wise, 1 inch wide, you want to look at changing that every 3 months. Now, there are different size filters, as we know. You can have a wider filter that can be up to 4 inches or even different size medias. But with that, you want to change it. Generally, the rating is up to 6 months. But again, the variables depend on what you have going on in your home. But you need to continue to check it. If you have 6-month rated filter, you want to look back over it, maybe check it in 3 months, 4 months, and just make sure it looks okay. The other major thing to keep in mind is if you do any remodeling in your home, painting, drywall, anything of that sort, that dust and everything that you're creating from that comes back through the returns and hits that filter before it goes through your system. So that will create a blocked filter, which will create a service call for various different reasons, which obviously nobody wants. But I would generally say 1-inch filter, change it every 3 months. Larger sizes that have different month ratings, still check them in about 3-4 months, but they can last up to 6. But it depends what you have going on in your home, but keep an eye on your filter.